Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and initiating Bitlocker. First, make sure your PC runs a supported Windows 11 edition and TPM2. 0 is enabled in UEFI. If not, prepare a USB startup key. Next, open Settings, go to System About to confirm edition, then open Control Panel System and Security Bitlocker Drive Encryption. Once there, click Turn on Bitlocker next to the system drive to start the setup wizard, and choose your preferred unlock method. Now you'll configure how Bitlocker secures the drive and where to store recovery access. Select your unlock method. TPM only is seamless. TPM plus PIN adds security, or use a USB key. Then choose where to save the recovery key, your Microsoft account for easy retrieval, a file on another drive, or print and store it offline. After that, pick encryption mode. Use XDSAES for modern devices or compatible mode for drives moved to older Windows versions. And finish by starting the encryption and verifying access. Click Start Encrypting and watch progress. Encryption time varies by drive size and SSD versus HDD. Once complete, reboot to confirm your chosen unlock method functions. Enter PIN or insert USB key if required. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Locate your recovery key where you saved it and use it to unlock the drive. Make sure to retain that key securely, because without it, you may permanently lose access to your encrypted data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.